2019 VolksWagen Jetta. This is how to reset the maintenance reminder. This is the one with the digital dash. The car is off right now. Keep your foot off the brake and just hit the start engine button one time. Put it in accessory mode. Now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and you're going to want to put the digital display in range. Okay, you're going to find the range. So go ahead and go okay. You go up and down with these buttons right here, you'll be able to find the range. It's driving data screen. Okay, hit OK, go into range. Now we're going to press and hold down the OK button for like 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, you can just let go of it and it'll pull up the service menu. And if you go down, reset oil change service, and just hit OK again. And reset that. Now you can go down, hit OK, and you can reset inspection also the same screen. And that's it. Boom.